morning, CC fam. So this is behind the scenes for the magazine challenge video lookbook I got coming up. Here's a pile of clothes for my Cosmo shoot. Here's my stack for Essence. Okay. Here go my pal for Rolling Stone and my pal for Vogue. So we are getting things together and set up. My videographer, he's kind of doing some testing. Hey
CC fam.
So yes, we got the studio today and he is just testing and making sure the camera is ready for me. So I'm about to get clothed in righteousness. I'm probably gonna do the Vogue look first because it's the most difficult to put on. So I'll be back. All right, so this is look number 1. This is my Vogue inspired look. I have a jumpsuit and a skirt, so stay tuned because I'm serving you. This is Vogue look number 2. Compliments of its fashion. Y'all love this dress. Yes. Serving couture, darling. Couture, couture, couture. Y'all stay tuned. So this is my second look for Rolling Stone. You know, Rolling Stone is all about highlighting musicians, punk rock, and everything, personality. So I got this old leather coat I had in the closet from Simply Fashions. What a throwback. And these jeans from Ashley Stewart and these shoes from It's Fashion. So y'all, I'm so excited, so stay tuned. This is my Cosmopolitan look number 1. I paired it with the Ashley Stewart poncho shirt and the slides from Ashley Stewart. Bow. So this is look number 2 for a Cosmopolitan inspired look. Very bright, cheerful, and colorful cosmetics. See you later. Hey everyone, this is my Essence inspired look cover. Yes, I got this top from Fashion to Figure, and these are the Kylie and Kendall by Ashley Stewart sequin pants. Yes, very Essence, darling. Whew. Okay, so I wrapped with my video and photo shoot for you all. So now I am at the Green Hills Mall. That's Restoration Hardware right there. Shout out to Nashville. But yes, I'm about to get a bite at Cheesecake Factory. And also, I'm going to take you with me as I visit my Sephora family. And hopefully, Louis Vuitton will let me vlog. I'm going to try, but come with me. I just left the Gucci store and they were so friendly. So for people who have had a bad experience at luxury brand stores, come to Green Hills. They are so polite and they give you that nice experience that you would want if you're buying a handbag or, you know, a label piece. But yeah, I'm finna go down here to the Sephora and check out some new makeup and say hey to my Sephora fam because they know me. So come with me. right in the crease, in the crevices. And it's called Lock It Concealer. It's $15. Yeah, so proud of you, girl. Y'all see, these are how they look in real life. So don't say I ain't the plug. Shimmery color is the, and this Soul perfume smells amazing. Finally just getting something to eat at the Cheesecake Factory. You go to Green Hills, you might as well just go on and treat yourself. Yes! Yes, so I'm finna get this turkey burger that I love with sweet potato fries. So, yes, stay tuned. So I have these sequin jeans from Ashley Stewart that I have. Nice ombre of colors. You got bronze, black, gold, and blue. And I paired it with a throwback. Who shopped at Simply Fashions back when? So I have this leather coat that I've had for, I know, at least 10 years. Like, this was my coat but shirt when I wanted to be edgy on the college campus, woo woo, and just pair it with anything. So I wore these two together, and then for my other look, I wanted to wear something with some pearls on it. So thank God he brought to my remembrance that I have this dress. Remember this from Valentine's Day? And this is like just a pearl studded black velvet dress that I have. It's a mini dress, but I'm short. Is it really mini? And my Forever 21 houndstooth coat. I thought the two would look great with a popping red lip. So yeah, I've had this for about 3, maybe 4 years, and I got that for my birthday some time ago from Forever 21. So that's for my Rolling Stone inspiration shoot. Those are the garments I picked. From Ashley Stewart, it's like silver, gray, red, plum, just very duochromatic. And I also, let me not get everything tied up. I got this dress, and you know this was very popular, but yes, I got this long dress and it got a split in the back. But Vogue is about serving couture, designer look. It is the creme la creme for Louis Vuitton, Chanel. They are going to put their ads in Vogue first, but it's also gonna define where fashion is. So I wanted to make sure that my look stood out, but it made a statement, a fashion statement. Yeah, that's the cover for Cosmo. Dope. And I paired it with these teal pants. Y'all saw these from Ashley Stewart. Both garments are from Ashley Stewart. So that's a good mate. Yes, nice little teal slacks. I love those. This shirt is bomb.com. So I'm glad it worked out. You know, cute old pleated sleeve shirt from Ashley Stewart. So cute, so Cosmo, right? And this sequins multicolored skirt, very appropriate for spring and summer. I love it. I feel like it's staple pieces, but Cosmopolitan, it is a magazine to me that sells youth and vibrancy, joy, brightness, like a Forever 21 vibe. It's colorful, it's joyful, it's colorful. So I wanted to bring that out. I think it highlights cosmetics. So fashion to figure. I bought it like last fall or spring or something, but it is just very funky. Essence is all about highlighting Black excellence. So I feel like this outfit is defining. It's sophisticated, yet it has character. And I think when I read Essence cover, whoever they are highlighting, they either, have something that defines what they brand, or they have something interesting on to highlight that they have depth to them and character. So yes, and these are the Kylie times Kendall pants collaboration that Ashley Stewart had. So I have these, and they worked out great together. That burgundy pulled through, honey. So I loved it. It looked really good on, simple, comfortable, and just magazine ready. So I hope you all enjoyed the day in the life of CCLV Christina. I like to do vlogs related to my channel, which is fashion and inspiration. So hopefully you got just a little glimpse of hanging out with me. I love y'all so much. I am grinding hard for you all. Tell your family and friends to come see me. Come check out my channel and gettheirlife.com. I love you all so much. So always remember that confidence is a lifestyle, and don't you dare walk out the door without it. I love you all so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.